Do you want to know how to change appearance on DuckDuckGo? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the DuckDuckGo app on your laptop. Now on the top right corner, you'll find this 3-dot menu. Tap on it, then go to settings. Under settings on the left side, you'll find a lot of options. Just go ahead and scroll down. There you'll find appearance option. Now under appearance, you can see theme as light, dark or system. Go ahead and select the one that you like. Now you can see there are also options like address bar, new tab base, bookmarks bar. Just select or deselect it as a liking. Then you'll successfully change appearance of your DuckDuckGo. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.